Leading companies never stop innovating. Here at YJ Link, we have always taken a step further to lead SMT automation process technology in the rapidly changing global environment. And it is these steps that drive our relentless evolution and growth. Now, based on its unparalleled technology, YJ Link is creating a new future by providing unique value to clients worldwide. YJ Link is paving the way to implement the Smart Factory system in order to achieve a successful manufacturing innovation for the fourth industrial revolution. YJ Link is developing and manufacturing board handling equipment such as loader, unloader, conveyor, buffer series. YJ Link's board handling equipment has rapidly evolved to the demands and changes of the SMT market and is the key to enabling the best SMT line at an efficient cost. The laser marking machine is one of YJ Link's representative equipment products, and it marks barcodes and letters on PCB. Its precise marking performance, high productivity, and user convenience is recognized around the world, showing continuous export growth. The router is an equipment that cuts the mounted PCBs into individual models using spindle bit. Clients can maximize productivity by choosing the most suitable option out of 4 models with different specifications. The Vision Buffer links with the AOI to receive PCB defect information and automatically moves to the defection point, providing a real-time photo image and helping the operator make an accurate judgment. Amidst the rapid changes of the fourth industrial revolution, YJ Link is always moving a step further in the smart factory category, leading the evolution of SMT process. Moving at a more agile speed than the market, thinking in a more innovative way than the consumer expectation, YJ Link is building its competitiveness in the global market based on its bold and continuous investment in R&D. Perfection begins with small details. We are always looking to create new values through technologies that did not exist before. We are continuously asking new questions to create a new paradigm that shifts the market, as much as our previous challenges have led the way to a new future. We will face our bigger challenges to come without fear. Link the world. YJ Link.